or you can fill your gin sauce.
There's lots of hidden sodium in the food we eat. So why add more salt? Use salt-free Mrs. Dash. Mrs. Dash is a 100...
Good afternoon from the News 4 Weather Center. I'm meteorologist Joe Haynes with some good news. The National Hurricane Center has dropped the tropical storm warnings for the Keys and Florida Bay for the rest of the afternoon. Also, the flood watch that was in effect for South Florida has been dropped. The reason why this is happening, the Hurricane Lili, continues to move across Cuba in an eastward direction. Now, the winds are still 90 miles per hour. You can see the rain bands there spreading out into the Florida Straits. Here's the eye of the storm pushing across central Cuba up into the mountains right now. Still holding the winds. In fact, in Cienfuegos, right down here on the southern coast, 103 mile-per-hour wind gusts just a little while ago. But we still have some heavy storms pushing out into the Florida Straits. So if you have any boating interest out in the Florida Straits, you need to hold in port here for a little while. The storm continues moving to the east at about 9 miles per hour. Now we've got the updated figures on the storm at this time. Located at 22.4 north, longitude 80.3 west. 90 mile per hour winds with some higher gusts, moving to the east at 10. We do think it is going to take more of an east to northeast turn here later this afternoon. Pressure still holding steady at 975 millibars, and now it's starting to pull away from Key West about 175 miles away. This is a forecasted path. Actually, first we're going to show you the hurricane warnings for all the Bahamas going down into the central Bahamas. Also, the hurricane warnings have been dropped for the western sections, Pinar del Rio of Cuba. Now it's just from Havana to the Camagüey province, or where the hurricane warnings are at this time. They could be extended down into the southern part of Cuba later this afternoon, but right now this is all the warnings. The tropical storm warning, just to repeat, has been dropped for the Florida Keys for the rest of the afternoon. Now we'll have more details about this weather coming up here throughout the afternoon into tonight. In the meantime, we've got a phone number you can call. Let's go ahead and put that up on the screen. This is the Neighbors for Neighbors hotline, 305-597-4404. They will answer all your questions about Hurricane Lili. Now we'll go ahead and take you back to your previously scheduled programming.